Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. So I'm back with the another interview question. So in this table, we have few order details like our order ID, customer ID, order date, and order amount. Okay, the question is that we are working with a table called orders. Okay, so the track customer orders with their order dates and amounts. Okay, so this is the order date and this is the order amount. So write a query to find each customer's latest order along with the amount of second latest order. Okay, so as you can see, the latest order is 20 March, okay, which is 180, and the second latest order is 15th February, which is 200. Okay, so we want these two rows. Okay, in every customer ID we want two rows. The one is latest order and this other one is the second latest order. Okay, all right, so the output should be like customer ID, the latest order amount, and the second latest order amount in a column. Okay, so what we want customer ID as a column, and we want latest order amount in a separate column and the second latest order amount in a separate column. Okay, all right, so whenever we have a situation like we want to first or second or third order, so we have a very specific function for that. These are the analytical functions. So there are row number, dense rank, so we can use any one of them. Okay, so let's write the logic. Select from orders. Okay, now star, so we're gonna write row number. All right, so we will create rows over, and let's create a partition. Okay, partition by customer ID. Okay, so we want to segregate customer wise. Okay, we want to check every customer's first and second last, latest and second latest, customer underscore ID, and we want to order by, we want to sort the data by the descending order. Okay, so I want the maximum date in the first row and the second maximum date in the second row. Okay, so let's sort this order date with the descending order. Okay, let's run this. All right, perfect. So what we can see here, the order ID 3, which is customer ID 101, the date is 20th March, which is the latest date. Okay, the maximum date, which is 180. Okay, 1, and customer ID 101, again the second latest order. As you can see, we want second latest order, so which is order amount is 200 and on the second row. Okay, so we have assigned the ranks. All right, so now what we can do here is we'll create a CTE, and as you can see, we want different columns like customers latest order amount and the second latest order amount. So whenever we have a situation where we need to create a different column other than our table column, so we'll take a help from the case statements. All right, so let's create a case statements. Okay, so what we want here, we want customer ID, customer underscore ID, and let's create a case statement, case when. So let's give the alias rn. All right, so what we want, rn, when rn equals to 1, then order amount. Okay, whenever we have the rn equals to 1, we want this order amount. Okay, so whenever we want the rn equals to 2, so we want this order amount in every customer ID. Okay, so let's write this. When rn equals to 1, customer and then order amount. Okay, and as latest order amount. All right, let's create a second column just like this. All right, second latest order. All right, when rn equals to 2. Okay, and let's run this. All right, so what we can see here, we have null values. Okay, so what we want unique customer IDs. Okay, we don't want multiple rows in a multiple customer ID. So what we can do here is we can merge these rows, okay, into single row. So what we can do here is we can use max aggregate. So we can aggregate these rows. All right, so let's use max. All right, max will aggregate all the rows in a single rows. Okay, and that's what we want. And if we are using max, so we need to use group by. Okay, aggregate whatever we have in the select statement, we'll take this in a group by clause. All right, so let's run this. All right, so what we have one row for customer ID 101. The latest order amount is 180 and the second latest order amount is 200. As you can see, 102 have the latest order amount and the second latest order amount. Okay, so let's run the main table. Okay, from orders and let's verify the data. All right, so as you can see, the customer ID 101 latest order amount is 180. Okay, so the latest order amount is 180 20th March and second latest is 200. Perfect. And customer ID 102 latest order amount is 320. 320 is latest order amount and 250 is the second latest order amount. All right, and customer ID 103, which is 420 latest order amount. And as you know, customer ID 103 has only two orders, so which is the latest one is 420, which is 15th February, and the second latest and the last order was 25th of January. All right, guys, so that's how I generate this output. So if you have better solution than this, I'll paste the table script in the description box, so you can try on your own and you can generate a different output with a different logic. Okay, so just share it with me if you have a different and better logic than this. So thank you so much, guys, for your time, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. All right, thank you so much.